Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. You can see here, this is brand wise Mabe brand. This one made in Mexico. This machine having problem actually. It's totally dead. That's mean actually while pressing this start button, machine motor running, noise will come but machine not rotating. That's mean having problem. I'm thinking here this one already got broken belt. That's why it's making that it's happening like that. Now I have to repair this one. Also I will show you how to repair the machine and we will go to the check-in process. Power connection. Also I select here. I'm selecting, I can select any option here. Also selected medium. Now I will start the machine. I will press the start button. While this is push button, you can hear the noise. Until pressing, it's making noise. But after taking my finger, it's getting cut off. That means it's not any noise. That means I'm thinking here, it is already got broken V belt, otherwise drum belt. I will show you here. I'm pressing here door switch by hand, by my finger I'm using, and also pressing this one. You can hear the noise, but drum not rotating. That means it is 100% broken belt. Now we will remove the machine and I will show you how to repair. We have to remove the top cover here. You can see here top cover. After that only we can remove the front cover. After that we can take it out drum and all. First I will show you how to remove the top cover here. Screws. We have to unscrew this too. Also after that we can take this selecting panel, this one. After we can remove here another screws. We have to unscrew that too also. And first we will unscrew this too. After removing, dear friends, this two screw, we have to remove this part. We can take it up, we can take it out. While pulling back, it will come like that. You can see it is very easy. Also we have to remove this screw. Now it will come out. It's like that. After removing this part, you can see here one screw, also this side also screw. That two screw also we have to unscrew. Yes, it's okay. Now after removing this two screw, we will fix this one again as same before. Just fix this screw, that's enough. Because it is falling down, that's why I'm fixing again. After that, we have to remove the front side. Also here two screw you can see. That two we have to remove here. Okay dear friends, now we can take it up. It's like that. We can lift up. You can see here. We can keep like that. Now you can see, dear friends. Now you can see here. I told you before, it is already broken belt, drum belt. See, it is fell down actually after getting break. Now I will remove this two screws. Now dear friends, we can take it out. Before taking that, we have to remove the door switch connector. Now it's coming here. This connector we have to remove. It's like that, pressing we can take it out. Definitely we have to take it out, otherwise it will get break. Because of that, very careful. Now we can take, it out. It is locked. You can see here, it is so many links are there. We have to clean properly. Now actually no belt, because of that, very easy. Simply we can take out the drum. Otherwise we have to remove the belt from the ideal pulley. Now without any problem we can take it out. Yes, my dear, you can see here, it is belt already broken. You can see the belt, it is already broken because too much links are there. We have to clean properly machine first. After that we can fix belt. Problem with the belt only. Yes, here also too much links. We have to clean properly. It's too much actually. We will clean first. After that we will fix the belt and we will check. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix the belt again, because this is the new belt already I having. Now I'm going to replace the belt. You can keep like that. We can hang and take it like that. Also slowly we have to enter, because heater will get damaged because of the shaft. Now I already fix here, you can see. Now I have to fix with the ideal pulley with the belt. Otherwise it's not working. I will show you how to fix this one. Dear friends, you can watch here now. It should come like that with the ideal pulley, and this way it should come. Now I'm going to fix with the motor. Yes, it should come like that. You can see. It will come like that after fixing. It is like that. Now it's okay. Front cover. Before fixing, you have to check drum bearing kit here. We have to check properly. It is any damage, don't fix. You have to change the drum bearing kit. But at the moment, this drum bearing kit, it's already okay, no any issue. Now we will fix like that. You can see, dear friends, it should come like that. It is locked. Now I have to fix here door lock connector. It will come this way. Yes, it is okay now. Now we can fix here. We have to take it up and we have to enter here with the drum bearing kit. Also this lock, it should come here. You can see here, the both side it should come properly. Now it's okay. Now you can see the belt also. Now we have to fix these two screws only. Now it's okay, dear. Now we can turn and check. Before complete the job, we can check also. One cycle we will check. I will give the power connection here. Now it's okay. I will give the power connection. Also I will select here option optimum drive. Also I selected already. and I will press the, yes my dear, you can see it is working properly. No any abnormal noise. Machine is running well. Now I open the door also. Again after pressing door switch, I will check. You can see, dear friends, it's working fine. We can check it is belt is correct belt or not. It is, the belt is okay. You can see by hand we cannot stop the drum. It is rotating properly. That's mean my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.